jo ohala moketnegi winjruok e kinde mokalo mosebedo ka medo nengo sitima kaka yor duoko piny pek ne oganda ma jo Kenya. Giwacho magi e kinde mane gichopo e od bura mar duoko penjo e wi nengo mamalo mar teko sitima e pacho kaendi. Jo od bura go ne dwaro ng'eyo gimomiyo nengo mar sitima thoro dhi malo kinde ka kinde pacho ka e kinde ma oganda jo Kenya bende yuago pek mar ngima.
Why are we selling? Why are we one of the two countries only in East Africa that is supplying power at about 23 to 28 Kenya shillings per kilowatt, and yet our neighbors are saying there are some that are selling for about 9 shillings. When will you ever bring industries here? Companies are leaving Kenya.
What is it that you think this committee can help you do to enable you sort out some of these issues? Because when you are talking to Kenyans out here, all of them, if you are to ask 3 people whether any of them has an issue with Kenya Pipeline, you will find that all of them, Kenya Power, you'll find that all of them are having issues. So what is it that we can help you do as a committee to sort out some of these issues?
KPLC in All Power 4 entered into an original power purchase agreement 5th November 1998.
I'm very happy that we are together in this, and I was really looking for an ally on this particular matter, and meaning that we must work together to try to give Kenyans the solution and rescue them from these people who are stealing. Honestly, they are stealing from us.